How to measure your window size. Accurate measurements ensure your wood shutters fit perfectly and look their best. Let's get started. Here are the tools needed for installation. Make sure to prepare them in advance. Measure the width inside the recess. To ensure a proper fit, take width measurements at 3 places: top, middle, and bottom. Measure the height inside the recess. To ensure a proper fit, take height measurements at 3 places: at the left, center, and right. Measure the recess depth of the window. To ensure a proper fit, take depth measurements at 4 places: top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. Measure the diagonal dimensions of your window. To ensure a proper fit, take diagonal distances both from the bottom left to the top right and from the bottom right to the top left. That's it. You've completed all the measuring steps. Now let's double check to make sure you have every measurement recorded. You should have 3 width measurements, 3 height measurements, 4 depth measurements, 2 diagonal measurements. Great job! Now head to our website to place your order and get ready to enjoy your stunning wood shutter.